Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make golden balanced tacos. To achieve this, we focus on 5 essential elements: savory, spicy, tangy, fresh, and rich. The goal is to create a harmonious blend where no single flavor overpowers another. We will explore how to thoughtfully combine ingredients, ensuring each bite offers a delightful interplay of tastes and textures, making your tacos truly exceptional and memorable. Achieving flavor harmony means carefully layering your ingredients. For instance, a rich, slow-cooked meat filling benefits immensely from a squeeze of fresh lime juice, which provides a crucial tangy counterpoint. Introduce a subtle warmth with a dash of your favorite hot sauce or finely diced chilies. Finally, ensure a vibrant freshness with generous amounts of chopped cilantro and crisp white onion, tying all the flavors together beautifully. Texture and temperature are just as vital as flavor in a golden balanced taco. Imagine the satisfying contrast of a warm, pliable tortilla cradling a tender filling, topped with something delightfully crunchy, like thinly sliced radishes or toasted pepitas. Adding a creamy element such as a dollop of avocado or Mexican crema provides a luxurious mouthfeel. This interplay of soft, crunchy, warm, and cool creates an incredibly engaging and enjoyable eating experience. The final step is thoughtful assembly. Always warm your tortillas until they are soft and pliable. This enhances their flavor and prevents tearing. Begin with your main filling, then strategically add your contrasting elements like salsas, onions, and cilantro. Avoid overfilling, aiming for about 2 to 3 ounces of filling per taco. A simple, elegant garnish not only looks appealing, but also reinforces the fresh, balanced profile of your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.